Thought that I would fail without you, but I'm on top. Thought it would be over, but now, but it won't stop. Thought that I would self-destruct, but I'm still here. Even in my years to come, still gonna be here. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive. Keep on surviving. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive. Keep on surviving.
Nagkakilala kami ni Heidi sa work. Um, I was a supervisor doon and she was an agent. And doon kami unang nagkita at na-introduce.
Tapos, ayun, nakasuot siya ng green jacket. Tapos, nasa cafeteria kami, tapos naka-headset siya, nagse-cellphone. Tapos sabi ko, sino to? Ang misteryoso. Ayun, tapos syempre, na-curious ako sa kanya kasi nga, tingin ko sa kanya, napaka-mysterious niya, ganon.
Biniro lang kami ng mga ka-work niya to get a picture together. At doon na nagsimula yung interest namin sa isa't isa.
Tell me that you want me, and I'll be yours completely, for better or for worse.
Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya, our relationship will never be perfect. Pero one thing that I always promise her is I'll never give up to work out our relationship.
My love, thank you so much kasi ayun, sa lahat ng wants and needs ko, nandyan ka para suportahan ako. And thank you kasi kahit lagi akong tinutopak, napaka-understanding mo sa akin.
I still remember feeling nervous, trying to find a way
Thank you, Brad.
to get you here today.
To my soon-to-be wife, Heidi, thank you for always understanding me and supporting me. And thank you na lagi mong sinusuportahan yung mga hilig ko. Thank you for staying on my side. And I promise to stay on your side.
Ayun, thank you for being so respectful sa mga magulang ko. Tsaka, pagiging gentleman hanggang ngayon, gano'n ka pa rin simula nung nag-meet tayo. And ayun, I can't wait to be your wife.
You make my heart feel like it's summer when the rain is pouring down. You make my whole world feel so right when it's wrong. That's how I know you are the one. That's how I know you are the one.
Babe, I love you so much. And kahit na matagal na tayong magkasama at kilalang-kilala natin yung isa't isa, I know that there will always be something new na lalabas sa ating dalawa, especially ngayon na mag-asawa na tayo. And I'm looking forward to getting to know you deeper and loving you more over time.
May isa lang ang pangako ko kasi syempre may mga bagay naman na hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan most of the time. Pero I promise na ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko araw-araw.
I love you so much.
Babe, I love you and I can't wait to be your wife.
And ngayon, I can confidently say na nahanap ko na yun. Yun, si Heidi yun. Worth it na alagaan, take care. Worth it na patawarin over and over again sa kahit anong mga away. Worth it na mahalin. Worth it na pakasalan. At worth it na makasama sa panghabang buhay.
That story is just one of those many moments na na-witness ko how generous you are as a provider. You have always been consistent in making me happy and me feel very lucky. Providing not only my needs and wants, but also to your families. I witnessed that. And I know someday, once we start our own family, you'll still be the same. And just like what I always tell you every day, I'm so lucky to have you. And blessed to have you in my life.
Life, it's easy to be scared of. With you I am prepared for what is yet to come. 'Cause our two hearts will make it easy, joining up the pieces, together making one. You make my heart feel like it's summer when the rain is pouring down. You make my whole world feel so right when it's wrong. That's how I know you are the one. That's how I know you are the one. You make my heart feel like it's summer when the rain is pouring down. You make my whole world feel so right when it's wrong. That's how I know you are the one. That's how I know you are the one.